If we talk about the don'ts of television, we will often use the term never cut. Never cut your camera. It means never put your camera on air when this thing is happening or this thing is not happening. Never cut your camera when your camera is panning, because that disturbs the viewer. You have to have a stable shot in panning. Panning means when you are putting your camera at a particular spot and just moving the head of the camera, the lens of the camera, from that particular angle and getting your shots changed from a particular angle by moving. You're not moving the camera, you're only moving the lens. And that is called panning. So never cut your camera when your camera on air is panning. Never cut your camera when the camera is zooming in. Unless the shot is stable, then you can cut. And so on, there are many other reasons, many other points where we use the term never cut. And this we will discuss when we are discussing the video production of music, who have changed the grammar, and they're cutting wherever they want to and whenever they want to. Never cut your camera when you don't get the beat of that song. Unless you are following the beat, your production will not be following a particular rhythm. If you have to follow a rhythm, your production has to be balanced, your production has to be in a particular rhythm that has to be set by the pace of music and followed by the director through his cameraman and the switcher. In music production, usually what happens is that the producer himself is the switcher of his production, because you don't have enough time to tell your switcher to shift from one camera to this camera. So for instant changes, what you do is that the producer or the director sits himself on the switcher and does the cutting of various camera angles. So this is the rule of never cut.